Mithram and Bandhuvam, welcome to South Asia Maps. We are looking at a very interesting topic. This is your education channel, your presenter Dr. J. Reddy, part 12 of Panhandle Geography, Panhandles. What is a panhandle? Panhandle is a geographical term, is a handle as a protrusion or a salient, very elongated region that protrudes into other geopolitical regions. You see here is a PAVAGADA. There is a tehsil that is a part of Karnataka that protrudes into Andhra Pradesh, AnantaPur district. That's the panhandle. Panhandles can be national panhandles, subnational panhandles. National means between the nations. Subnational is within the nations, that can be within among the provinces, even within a province or a state among the district. This is the PAVAGADA panhandle of Karnataka protruding into the AnantaPur district. PAVAGADA panhandle actually is a part of Tumkur district of Karnataka. Previously, it was a part of Wodeyar rulers' territory, Wodeyar's Maharajas, Wodeyari territory. Later, it got Kalyani, Karnataka, as well as the Bombay, Karnataka, and formed the bigger Mysore state, later renamed Karnataka province or state. So, we can broadly say this is for the entire Karnataka state, PAVAGADA panhandle, or only southern portion, that is the former princely state of Mysore. Either way, it should work. So, previously we have discussed about the lot of panhandles. So, this is the, take for example, Afghania territory or Durrania territory. This is the Hindu Kush mountains and Bamiyan. This is the handle called Wakhan panhandle. This is the Namibia close to South Africa country. This is the Cape Privy panhandle. This is the pan, this is the handle, this is the pan, this is the handle. We have looked at many panhandles, national, subnational. Today we are looking at PAVAGADA panhandle Tumkur part 12. Part 12, that is the point of discussion today. And if you are new to my presentations, you can go to South Asia Maps JRD. I have posted more than 488 immaculately made videos on the diverse topics. You can pick and choose. For your convenience, I have put them in round about 35 or so panhandles. You can choose the topic of your interest and explore it further. That is JReddy at YouTube channel South Asia Maps. And when you look at this, you can see here, if you look at the Dakshinapattam map, South Indian map, Deccan map, this is the Karnataka province or Karnataka state. This is the Wodeyar territory. That is Bangalore district, Kolar district, Mysore district, Mandya, Hassan district, Tumkuru, Chikmagaluru, ChitraDurga, Shimoga. All these are Wodeyari territories. Later Bellary was given from Madras Presidency, Andhra Pradesh area. So this is the PAVAGADA. PAVAGADA is contiguous with the ChitraDurga, so very unique. Then actually it is a part of Tumkur district. So we'll see the other taluks map that will be very, very unique panhandle again. This is the AnantaPur panhandle Madakasira that protrudes here. So they are bilingual population. You see a Telugu and Kannada speaking people, like the historical the initial Vijayanagara empire was bilingual empire, Kannadese, and that is Kannadiga and Telugu speaking people. And we'll see it, and I will show you other regions so that you can understand it a lot better. Different maps also, and the panhandle, the national, we have already discussed it. We'll put it here. So, how do you reconcile historically? There used to be Vijayanagara Empire that resisted, rolled back the Islamic imperialism, the Muslim conquistadors coming from Central Asia. Vijayanagara Empire that has a severe setback, declined very rapidly after 1565 Battle of Talikota, Battle of Rakkasgi Thangedgi, that is on the river Don in the Vijapura or Bijapur region of Bayalasima of North Karnataka today. Then the kingdom, all the subordinates started becoming independent Wodeyars. One among them, they were centric on Mysuru, later enlarged a lot of territories. They came under the protection of Marathas, Maratha kingdom from Raigad. And when Marathas collapsed, got defeated in Battle of Panipat in the Kurukshetra region or Karnal region of Kurukshetra plains of East Punjab, that is Haryanvi Punjab, 1761 January. And the prominent general in Wodeyars called Hyder Ali usurped the kingdom. He made the Maharaja a titular, a puppet. He's called de facto ruler, de jure ruler. Real ruler was Hyder, later his son. De facto ruler was Wodeyar. He got into war with the British East India Company, centered on the coast in the Madras, Fort George, and in the Gangasagar Ocean, and he fought 4 wars, both father and son. In the third war, the first partition occurred, that is 1792, Treaty of Seringapatam. So, Wodeyar kingdom shed Baramahal region, that is other name for bigger Salem district, that is Hosur, Krishnagiri, Denkanikotta, and the Salem, Namakkal, Rasipuram, those areas. And also Dindigal region of Madurai, and also Malabar on the west coast, Malabar, Kasargod, and all those areas, and that is Kozhikode region. Again, in the fourth war, Treaty of Mysore, and Tipu was killed, and the kingdom was restored to Wodeyar ruler. Third one, that is the Mummidi Krishnaraja Wodeyar. And he gave the British the Kannada district, South Kannada, North Kannada, that is Karwar and Mangalore district, as well as the Kongu territory, that is the Coimbatore district. At that time, this area was consolidated. Wodeyar kingdom was consolidated by 1791. And just I added 1953, Bellary district was added when Andhra state was formed. In 56, Mysore obtained Hyderabad, Karnataka, that is Kittur, Karnataka, that is Kalyani, Karnataka, that is the Raichur, Gulbarga, and Vidar, and Bombay, Karnataka, that is the Bijapura, Belagavi, and Dharwad, and Uttar Kannad, that is called also Kittur, Karnataka, became a bigger state. So this is the Wodeyari territory here. So after fourth war, second partition of the Mysore, the entire area consolidated. This panhandle got consolidated at that time. This area adjoining Side district were given to Nizam. By the same time, 1800, he gave it to British East India Company Bahadur, that was added to Madras Presidency later. Wodeyari Kingdom, Ballari and Anantapur. This is the Kadapa, this is the Kurnool, 2 Arcot districts, and so on. Here is that's not that important. Malabar district, Dindigal, just this is the Portuguese imperialism as a Catholic imperialism. They ruled from that Gomantak region. And let's go and see other important parts. You can see this Wodeyari kingdom. I have put like natural boundaries. You can see natural boundaries folder. For our purpose, this is not that important. What are the boundaries for our purpose? This is the Wodeyar kingdom. This is the PAVAGADA panhandle. You can see here. From Andhra perspective, this is Madakasira panhandle protrudes into Wodeyar territory. This PAVGADA panhandle protrudes into ceded districts of Madras Presidency. This is the Banganpalli Presidency and so on. In the near the Tungabhadra Hagari river, there is a Sandur princely state. So we will not get into that. I discussed it somewhere. I will show you this picture. You will get a very different perspective. So this is the southern Wodeyari territory, Kolar region, Bengaluru region, the Mysuru and Mandya Hasa. Our part is the Tumkuru district. Pavagada, you see this, not yellow. This belongs to Tumkuru district. Even though Pavagada Taluk is contiguous with ChitraDurga. So it's a very peculiar situation. Suppose a person from ChitraDurga district, he enters into Pavagada, that is the Tumkur district. Again, he can cross and enter into Madakasira, that is the AnantaPur district. Again, he crosses that, enters into Madhugiri, that is the Tumkur district. So this is even complicated. It is not even contiguous with this. That is the for historical region. So Pavagada, this is the Madakasira in AnantaPur district of Rayalaseema, Andhra Pradesh. This is the Madhugiri, and this is the Kalyanadurgam and Kambadur in the northern part, and so on. So that you can see it very clear is a very, very different when compared to other panhandles. We can go and look at the panhandle in a different perspective. See here, we are looking at the Madras Presidency here, the pre-Radcliffe line. That means before partition independence. This is the Ballari Madras district. Madras Presidency was very big. This is the Madras here, Pulikat, Chengalpattu district, Ballari district, Kurnool district, AnantaPur, Kadapa and Chittur here. This is the Pulikat lake. So this, the dark region here, this is the PAVAGADA panhandle protruding into AnantaPur. The light region is the AnantaPur panhandle, that is Madakasira protruding into Wodeyar territory or broader Karnataka. So this is the Tumkuru district, this is ChitraDurga district, this is the Kolar, and this is the BangaLore. So you can see the same, the older district. You can see this is the PAVAGADA, the blue part. PAVAGADA. This is the Bangalore district, Bangalore, Kolar, ChitraDurga, Tumkur, Nagar, that is essentially Shimoga. This is Ashtagram, that is the Mysore, Chamarajanagar, and Mandya, and Hassan, and Chikamagaluru district. So this at that time ChitraDurga district. This is the PAVAGADA, later becomes part of Tumkuru district. This is the Tumkur district, bigger Ballari district. This is the AnantaPur part. You can see very clearly. Here in the Google map, you can see this is the PAVAGADA panhandle of Wodeyar territory protruding into AnantaPur district. PAVAGADA, that's the PAVAGADA. You can see Tumkur district. So that says Tumkur actually. This is the Tumkuru, and this is the Davangere, that is the ChitraDurga district. So here you don't, so you can see Bangalore, you can see that this is the Madakasira here. This is the PAVAGADA, northern part is PAVAGADA. Madakasira in AnantaPur district, PAVAGADA is in Tumkuru district, but is contiguous with ChitraDurga district. That's the PAVAGADA. This is the Madakasira. Madhugiri in Tumkuru, Madakasira in AnantaPur, PAVAGADA again in Tumkuru, Kambadur is in AnantaPur, Kalyandur, Rayadur, Kanekal also. This region, after the it was ruled for some time by Murari Rao. He was the general of Marathas, and he also was administered Tiruchirappalli after the Carnatic Wars, 1750s. He was the one responsible also in the Chanda Sahib execution. He ruled that area. Later he became the ruler in the Guthi region, that is close to this area. When Marathas declined, he was finally seized by Hyder, and he was imprisoned, later died. He ruled from the Guthi, was the prominent fort. You can see the Guthi fort here. You can see near Tadipati. This is a Guthi, also railway station. It may show that that's the fort you can see, where Murari Rao Gorpad, Maratha general, was the ruler of this entire area. After the collapse of Maratha power, Hyder seized his fort and defeated him, imprisoned him, and he died as imprisoned. He lived almost 80 years. He was born in Guthi. He was a Maratha general. Finally, Tipu Sultan and those rulers captured him and imprisoned him. This entire area was ruled for some years by Murari Rao Gorpad. So hope this will put you in the proper perspective about the fascinating PAVAGADA panhandle of Tumkuru district, of Wodeyar territory, of southern Karnataka, former princely state of Mysore. Thank you very much joining me today, and if you like the presentations, you can subscribe the channel and bring it to the notice of your friends. See you later in other presentations. Mitro and Bandhu.